Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to curve text in Photopea. Open Photopea in your browser. Click on the text icon in the toolbar to add text layer to your project. Type in text you want to curve. You can adjust text position as needed by using the Move tool. Go back to Text tool and within Text layer select it. Highlight entire text. Locate top bar and find Warp option. In Steel drop-down box next to Warp, select Arc. This will apply curve to your text. Adjust bend slider to increase or decrease curvature of text. Optionally, use the horizontal or vertical slider to fine-tune the appearance of curved text. Once you are satisfied with curved text, click outside the text box or press Enter to apply changes. Now you successfully curved text in Photopea. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.